Good morning, I'm Debbie and I thought I would show you how to make a Halloween decoration slash toy. These are those little drum toys we've all played with when we were children, and I put together these for gift baskets or gift bags that I'm for our Halloween party for our guests. So I thought I'd share this with you today. So what I did is I went on Etsy and I found a cute cat head that I liked and purchased it in the digital downloads, and I resized it so I would get 6 on a page, and I printed it on cardstock. Then I cut it out with my Scan and Cut, and I also used that same image and cut it out on black cardstock. Then I took the two pieces and glued them together so it's a nice sturdy surface, and you'll need to do 2 of them per toy. And I also used some eyelash trim that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. This is, if you're not familiar with this, it's really fun. Comes in many colors, and so with this project I used purple and some of the cats are in black. You will also need some baker's twine for this. I used some Halloween ones. I got this on Amazon, and you'll cut them about this long, which is overall little about 10 inches, and put 2 beads on the ends. And also I used for the stick part of this these adorable treat sticks from Wilton, and I just kind of stumbled across these. In fact, I bought them not knowing what I'd use them for, but I just love them. They're nice and sturdy. If you cannot, and the length was wonderful. So if these are hard for you to find, then you could also use a straw. They have so many cute straws now, and definitely you can find them in Halloween colors. Another thing you will need besides a glue gun is this foam tape. And I've taken this and cut a long length of it and folded it in half to give me a double height of this, which is helpful. You could probably even go 3, but I'm doing 2. So to get started with this, you first need a stick and one of these cat heads. And you'll need to put some glue on the end of that stick. And at this point, I tend to eyeball it to get it kind of in the center. You can certainly use like a grid mat and to make sure that stick is straight. You could use the lines there like that. And then I use the grid definitely for this to put the twine down and line that up. I'm going to hold that down and glue it. You tend to go through quite a bit of glue on this project. Alrighty, then I take that foam tape and I cut 3 pieces for this. Take off the paper on one side and glue that down. And the nice thing about this eyelash trim is it will hide this, so you won't see this on the side. Okay, now from there we're going to peel this off. And then we're going to take some more glue and put it over that stick, and you could add a little bit more on top of that string. And you take the second cat head, and I kind of hold it by the ears so I can feel where it needs to go. And then you press it down. Once that's set, that's not going to go anywhere. And at this point it's adorable like it is, but what I did on these guys is I took some crepe paper roll. I cut off a length, and with a little needle and thread I did a running stitch down the center, and then I folded it in half and gathered it up, and then I just kind of glued it around the bottom of the cat there. It kind of adds a fun little finish to it. So that's all there is to this cute little guy. I think it would be adorable for Christmas. We do a Santa head or a snowman head, and definitely at Easter too. That would be sweet. Or even Valentine's Day, you could do a cute heart. These would be cute stuck in a little plant or in a little vase with a few different images. I think it's kind of cute and kind of fun to play with. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.